Okay, so before you go on to actually doing this video, I recommend you stop the videos and delete all the pages you've made. And without watching the videos, see if you can make everything that we've just covered. Do the square, the triangle, the circle, the overlapping two circles, the three circles, the text inside the box, changing the spot of the text inside the box, then the overlapping letters that are transparent. Got all that, go on to this next one. So now we're going to new page and we're going to work with adding guidelines. So to add guidelines, I need to be in the W mode. So I press W and then I click up here on this black section, which is a bit like a ruler that sits above and beside the page. So if I click here, hold it and drag down, I get these guidelines. I'm going to click here on the side, I can drag them in from the side as well. So let's drag in two more and we'll make a little sort of cross shape. Right, so now they can be there to guide where I put shapes. If I press W, then they're gone. Press it again, I can see them again. Now we're going to try and put a triangle that sits in here to make a shape. Okay, so let's click on our shape tool. I'm going to go down to polygon, which makes a triangle as we already know. Drag out a little triangle here. Now, if you want to change or modify, manipulate a shape, then use the white mouse up here. So if I click this white mouse, you'll notice the shape changed. I click off the shape, important to do, white mouse, first thing click off the shape. I can then click on points of the shape. See how these little white squares are popping up? That's good. So if I go up here, this white square is popping up. I've just clicked on it and it'll let me drag it. So I'm going to drag it across. So I've made this type of a triangle rather than the triangle that I just had. Now, using the normal black mouse, if you go to a corner of something, you'll see this come up, which means you can rotate it. I'm going to try rotating this object. But I want to just rotate it perfect 45 degrees. So shift is my friend. If I hold shift and do that, then it's just going to rotate it perfectly 90 degrees. So again, I just went, whoop. By the way, Command Z is undo, Command Shift Z is redo. So I click here, shift, rotate, I'm going to pop it in this corner here, and we're going to make a little bit of a pattern. Let's make it blue. Sweet. Got my triangle, I'm using my guidelines. Let's copy that. Rotate it. Oh, move up here first. Rotate it again. And pop it here. Now you'll see when you drag stuff, Indesign actually responds to the guidelines. It will sit in that corner. You'll feel it pull into the corner when you drag it. Now let's drag out another one. Twist it round. We're going to twist it again. Twist it again. One more time. There we go. Cool. And then let's do, I can also do Command C V, which just copies something. Cool. Now if I press W, you'll see I've kind of got a figure ground thing there where I've created an X using the triangle shapes. Great. All right. That's this video using guidelines, creating triangles and modifying shapes. Go on to the next one when you're ready.